According to WordFence, the average WordPress website is attacked once every 23 minutes. Not using a backup plugin is like driving a car without a seatbelt. You'll feel safe and confident until an actual accident happens and it destroys your life. In this video, I'll show you 5 free backup plugins for WordPress that can help back up your website and revive it in case of issues like getting hacked by hackers or suffering hosting issues. There are certain backup features that I look for in a WordPress plugin. Now, some of these features might be available in the free version, some might not be available and you might need a premium version, or they might not even be available in a premium version. So it depends on each plugin and we'll look at those. The features that I look at is when we back up, what does it back up? The files, database, upload, theme, plugin, everything, or is there some limitation on that? Whether I can do a manual backup whenever I want. Can I schedule a backup like daily, weekly, so that it automatically has backups and I can refer to later on? Does it have pre-update backups, which means whenever there's a WordPress core update or the plugins themes update, does it do a backup automatically before the update so that if something goes wrong, I can revert back to the previous backup that I have? Can it back up to cloud storage? Does it back up to Google Drive, OneDrive, SFTP, FTP? Where can I back it up in the free and premium versions? Does it have incremental backup? So every time you back up and it backs up the entire website, it's going to take a lot of space. So certain plugins will have an option to incremental backup. So only what has changed between the previous backup, that portion will be backed up now. It saves a lot of space. What is the ease of use? How easy is it to set up the plugin and to use the plugin? And finally, the pricing. In case you want to upgrade it later on, then how reasonable is the pricing and what all gets included? We'll look at that. The first backup plugin we'll look at is Updraft Plus. It is considered the world's most trusted WordPress backup and migration plugin, and it should be because it's actively installed on more than 3 million WordPress websites. I myself am using Updraft Plus for several of my websites, the free version, and it works really well. With Updraft Plus, you get a backup of your entire website, including database, uploads, themes, plugins in the free version. It has a manual backup option in the free version. You can do scheduled backups as well in the free version. The pre-update backups are not available. You will need the premium version if you want that. It can back up to cloud storage. I use it to back up to Google Drive. There are other options which are limited and you'll need a premium version, but at least Google Drive is supported in the free version, which is a good thing. There is incremental backup in the premium version, not in the free version. Updraft Plus is very easy to set up and use. The pricing is you pay $70 per year for 2 licenses, which is reasonable. In WordPress dashboard, in the WordPress plugins, add new plugins, search for Updraft Plus, you'll find this plugin, install and activate it. In the settings, you'll see this Updraft Plus backup. You can do an immediate backup of your website. You can schedule your backup. So in my case, I've scheduled it daily, and to maintain 2 versions anymore, it will start deleting the old version and keep 2 of the latest backups. So the file and the database is backed up daily. I have set it up with Google Drive. It gets backed up on the cloud to Google Drive. That's it, very easy to set up and use. The next backup plugin we'll look at is Total Upkeep, which is a powerful focused WordPress backup plugin and has 70,000 plus active installations. With Total Upkeep, you get the full backup of your website with file, database, upload, theme, plugins. You can do a manual backup as well as scheduled backup in the free version. It also includes pre-update backups in the free version, which is very good. You can backup only to FTP, SFTP in the free version, which is at least I would think you need to have Google Drive to back up on the cloud. You only get that in the premium version. There is no incremental backup available neither in the free or premium version of Total Upkeep. It's very easy to use, as you'll see, and the pricing is reasonable with $30 per year, and you can use this plugin on unlimited website. So really great value for money. So in WordPress plugin, search for Total Upkeep. You will get this plugin, install and activate it. Go to Total Upkeep dashboard. You can have scheduled backups, you can have manual backups, everything you can control from this dashboard and settings. You can set up the schedule as days of the week, the time in the free version itself. You can have it stored on the FTP, SFTP. For Google Drive, you'll need the premium version. You can have the auto updates like before the WordPress core plugin themes update. You can have the auto backups set up so that you have something to revert back in case some issue goes on. You can even control at which plugin or which themes or which files of WordPress you want this auto backup to be enabled. A really good option in a free backup backup plugin. The next backup plugin we look at is backup for WP. So it's considered to be the best backup service in the world as per them, and it's installed on 40,000 plus WordPress website. With backup for WP, you get backup of all your files, database, upload theme plugin. You can do a manual backup in the free version. You can do a scheduled backup in the free version. You can have pre-updated backups as well in the free version. You can even backup to cloud storage like Google Drive in the free version. There is no incremental backup available in the free or premium version. Ease of use, I'll say it's pretty easy to use. You need to configure it for Google Drive by using API keys and stuff. So that's a little tedious. That's why I gave it 4 out of 5. And it's really reasonable. Just for $9 per year, you get one license. I was having a hard time finding this in the plugin of WordPress because the name is a slightly bit different. It's this plugin you need, WP database backup. Install and activate it. You get this dashboard under the backups section of WordPress. You have your backups which shows the latest backups. It shows you the auto scheduler where you can schedule when you want your backups. Do you want it full, and then every day you can schedule everything from here. Where do you want to save your backups, FTP or to Google Drive, you can set it up over here. If you want auto backup before any upgrade of your WordPress or plugin theme, you can enable this. Super easy to use and really reasonable. One of the good options I would say for backup plugins. WordPress backup and migration is another backup plugin which is simple and fast. It includes migration plugin as well, and it's installed on 9,000 plus WordPress websites. You get full backup of your file, database, upload themes, plugins like the others, even in the free version. You can do a manual backup and schedule backup as well in the free version. There are no pre-update backups in this case on the free version. You can backup to cloud storage for free. You can update to Google Drive. There is no incremental backup in the free or premium version. It's very easy to use, simple dashboard and setup. The pricing for $49 per year, you get a single license. In WordPress plugin, search for this WordPress backup and migration by WebToffee. That's the plugin you want. Install and activate it. In the WordPress dashboard, you see this WordPress migration, backup and migration option. You can do a manual backup. You can schedule your backup. So really easy setup. It gives you these questions, and based on this, you can immediately set up the backup that you want. Now to set up Google Drive in this as well, you need a client ID, client secret, or something a bit tedious. You need to set up using your Google API keys. So a little bit of a learning curve there. The last backup plugin that we see is Everest Backup. It's a secure cloud backup with inbuilt free Google Drive integration. It's a relatively new plugin and installed on 4,000 plus WordPress websites. You get full backup of your file, database, upload theme plugin. You can have manual backup in the free version. You can have scheduled backup as well in the free version. On pre-update backups, it is available, but in the premium version. You can backup to Google Drive cloud storage, but you need an add-on which is a separate plugin. You have incremental backup in the premium version, not in the free version. It's very easy to use, set up and backup your website. The pricing for $59 per year, you get 2 licenses. In WordPress plugin, search for Everest Backup, install and activate it. Now it's visible in the WordPress dashboard as Everest Backup. You have your manual backup, which file, database, plugin theme, what you need to backup. You have your schedule backup as well. Now for Google Drive, you need to install the add-on and then you can use Google Drive. These are the add-ons you get: Google Drive, AWS, Dropbox, whichever you want. You will need to install and activate the add-on. Once the add-on is activated, you can set up Google Drive and have cloud storage for the backup. I've been using Updraft Plus for several years, the free version, and I find it quite sufficient if you're just looking for a free backup plugin. But any of these options are good and will help you back up your website. I'm also considering backup for WP because it has a lot of features in the free version itself, and even the premium version is just $9 per year, which is very reasonable. So pick any of these for your website and let me know how it goes. You'll find link to all of these backup plugins in the description. Now installing a backup plugin is crucial to protect your WordPress website, but there is a lot of other things you can do. I've created a video that shows the steps you can take to protect your website even further. It will guarantee that you don't have issues such as hackers attacking your website or security issues. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.